Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how to fix the Instagram ad interested option not showing Android and iPhone. See, this is the problem, how to fix it. Okay, let's get started. First open your phone settings and scroll down. Now tap on the apps option and search for Instagram and tap on the Instagram. Scroll down. Now tap on the storage, clear cache and clear data, delete. Okay, go back. Now tap on the permission option and allow all permission and calendar, allow another call logs, camera, contacts, location, microphone, nearby devices and notification turn on. Okay, phone, photos and videos, allow all permission. Okay, go back and now click on the force stops. Okay, go back and now restart your phone and reopen it again your phone. Okay, and now check your internet Wi-Fi connection. My Wi-Fi already connected. Okay, and go to Play Store and search for Instagram and tap on the Instagram and check update your Instagram app. My Instagram app already updated. Okay, now open your Instagram app. I hope your problem has been solved successful. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.